Hello guys, welcome once again. Today I will be showing you how to make a multi-bootable USB drive. So let's get started. What you have to do is just go to the description given below and go to the link and you can download the software which we are going to use. So what you have to do is firstly disable your antivirus protection, then just open the software where you have downloaded it. I have already downloaded it, so just open this patch file, run this program, click on patching done will be shown, and click on exit button. Now just open this Win2Flash application, go to run, and just go to advanced mode, click on create multi-boot USB drive. You can see, and just click on create button, then click on add. Now like I want to add image of Windows 7, so I am adding my Windows 7 image here, and just whatever, if you want to change the name you can change, like I naming it as Windows 7. Add Windows 7 has been added. I want to add 8 image. Now I'm adding 8 image. Add. Now again I want to add Windows 10 image, so I will be adding Windows 10 image. Now you can see 10 is also has been added. Now if I want to add any utility, like I want this utility to be added, so I am adding it. And see, again I want to add, if you can't find any list, whatever you want to make a bootable, for that if you can't find any list name in the list, so you just can click on standard loader for unknown use. So I am using the standard GRUBISO, and I am just selecting this on track, add button. Now again I want to add some utility like this, and I am adding it again, adding, and that's it. I have done adding all my files. Now just go to format and layout and just select anti-FS. You can see here, just select anti-FS. Now my USB drive has been detected. You can see it's 16 GB SanDisk Ultra. Just now click on run. It will show a warning that formatting will erase all your data disk. So just click on continue button. Now it will take some time, so around 60% has been completed. It will take some more time. You can see 85% has been completed. It is taking too much time. Now it's about 98% completed. I don't know why. I think because of too much data it is taking this much of time. Oh, let it be. completed, I think so. It is completed. Again, why it's taking time? So the work has been finished. You can see here, work finished with no error. Just click on OK and close this. In this way you can make your multi USB bootable device. That's all for today. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.